COVID's been going on for a long time now, so we got some serious social distance golfing going on, sponsored by Golf Husbands. I'm gonna go put a mug out behind those trees, and we're gonna play a hole of golf out here in nature. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna find our spot, put our hole. We're gonna use this mug. Let's get to it. This layout, dude, this is like borderline Augusta, a national. I'm probably gonna call this one Utah Lake National or TPC Utah Lake. I don't know. A lot of options. It's looking pretty good though. A lot of greenery, a lot of hazard trees, plenty of places to take some strokes or, you know, challenging shots. That's what we want, is challenging yet scoreable conditions. You're probably gonna wanna find a flatter area for your putting green and hole area, something like this. See, I got a lot of like nice, I don't know, foliage that's flat, run down. I'll dig a hole just right smack in the middle of it. We'll call it pin location number 3. Six on 3. We're gonna play a 6 on 3. Soft fills. All right, man. I'm actually kind of nervous for this one. Not gonna lie. I don't know why. I'd hate to waste my hole-in-one of my life not on a real golf hole. I gotta go right of that tree line, right? Here we go, dude. Nature golf, dude. Did you see that? Let's tee this up again, because I think that was a potential lost ball scenario. The line was perfect. Okay. Go. That's a good one, dude. That's all I had to do on my first shot. So that might get us to save a double bogey. We gotta find this first ball. I hit these trees and came, I don't know if it came straight down or kept going, but if it kept going that way, it's lost for sure. I'm going here. Wow, right here. This to be fair, my third tee shot right here in the breeze, trees or whatever. And there's our hole. It's probably an 8-footer, dude. It's probably an 8-footer. That's pretty solid, I'd say, for the first out. But it is putting 2. I'm saying 5. Going for a triple bogey, par 3. I don't know if I want to hit a putt or a chip. I think we're gonna do a chip because we're out here in the weeds. Okay, here we go. Oh, lipped out. Lipped out. Got a little tap in. All right, first hole we're gonna be putting for a quadruple bogey. That's okay though, you know, we lost 2 balls, had the line wrong. Okay. Yeah! That's an 8. 5 over, dude. All right. That was a good time.
Nature golf.
Nature golf. Nature golf.